wants everyone to clap your hands. Come on, everybody, Safula! Waka! Took a break, 5 points. 2 dunk shot. Look at this. The way she will help the trainer to bring the ball back. Yes, salam. Bring it one more round. Take over it. Take 56. One more round. Seals have 4 flippers. 2 in front, 2 at the back. It's time to catch the ball. Yalla Habibti. Tali. You're gonna bring it up all up. Insikura. You're gonna keep going. Wow! Balancing power. One moment to shine. Get over it for right now. I'll take the Abracadabra with Uli. Okay, catch the ball. Catch the ball. Look at her. In sync. Jamila. She is so beautiful. You know, in my country, we say Ochin Krasiva. Hey, everybody, eyes on the red ball. 2.5 meter. Dawai. She's coming right now to fly. Jump it up in the air. You got this. We're gonna move it. Yalla Habibti. Tiku. Come on, let's go free. Santonius are flying away to do it right now. Jump. I have to tell you something. The Seal is only 12 years old and she loves to go shopping. Dubai Mall. Come on now. Hold hands, Barbie Seal. Wonder Woman shopping. With love and power, with magic to go free, with some more cool places around the world. Ready for it? Freeze. With the power of love. Look at this, everybody. This is the power of the sea. One flipper. Yes, salam. Good times always has to come to an end.